Okay, you did your flaming basketball and that was hot. Now you're just going to use just the Novice stencil with the flame to create a background for another design. Another $12 design, another $15 design. Heck, you can charge $20 if you want. Turn your stencil this way. Same thing. This time I got orange. Make it as dark as you want. Come over here, you can do the same thing. Not use the whole thing. Now you got a barbecue going. You come back with another color, yellow, red, purple, green, it don't matter. Just have fun with it. Like I said, you got a barbecue going now. Come back to your black. You just made another t-shirt, made another $15.